Okay, here's the differential walking robots, 3D printed. It's all complete. Take a little look before I turn it on for you. Ended up with the moving mouth. Of course, we have the moving arms, moving gears, flashing lights, moving meter, walking action. There's part of the differential gears. Went with a slip-on back cover over the batteries, just friction fit. I'm going to change this one part before I put the files up on Thingiverse. Just going to move this piece that's overhanging into the back here, so that's easier to get into the switch, and it doesn't, so it fits in better with the look of the whole thing. So let's see. There's not a lot of places to hang on to this thing because I wanted so much exposed, where I'm not going to bind up the legs or the arms or something. But you can see there's the mouth action. You got your eyes, gears, your arm movement, of course the leg movement. Working on getting the files together for Thingiverse. Haven't quite dug them all out yet because normally when I do something like this, I'll do it in just a matter of days. But since this project drug out for almost a month, I'm having some trouble trying to remember where all the files are. They're all in one folder, but there's all the files that didn't work as well as the files that did work. So I'm trying to sort them all out. And I can't think of any way anyone could ever build this without a build video, because unlike so many of my projects where I try to make it simple, where parts can really only fit together one way, this one has a lot of parts that you glue together and you have to do them in a certain order, and I think a build video is going to be required. So in order to do the build video, I'm also going to use that as an excuse to try to find the right file. So I'll be reprinting out another set of parts, and then as I assemble them, I'll try to shoot little videos on the assemblies. For example, I'll probably do the feet and legs as one build, the differential drive motor as another, just kind of break it up.